Hello, I'm Andrew Fryer, and in this demonstration I want to have a look at a new part of the System Center suite, System Center Advisor. What's different about this service is that it's a service. It runs on data centers in Microsoft's cloud, and all you have to do is subscribe to it rather than installing it in your data center. Essentially, it's Operations Manager in the cloud, in the same way that we have Intune, which is a bit like Configuration Manager in the cloud. Now, I've already registered for this and it's in release candidate at the moment, and you can too. The links are at the end of my screencast. This is the main page, and the first thing I need to do is to add some servers in. You're thinking, I don't really want to connect all of my servers up to the internet, and you don't have to. In System Center Advisor there are two kinds of servers, gateways and agents. It's the gateways that are connected to the internet, and the other servers run the agent, talk to the gateway sends off the information. So when I add server here, I can download a registration certificate, which you need to use if you want to declare a gateway, and then there's the actual software. There are steps on how to do all of this here, and again I'll have the link at the end of my screencast for that. So now I'm ready to get started, and the first thing I want to do is set up one of those gateways. I pull down the software and the registration certificate here, so let's run it. Oh, and by the way, you'll need to have the .NET Framework 3.5 SP1 installed on the servers for this to work. Accept the license agreement, decide where you're going to put it. As soon as I check gateway, it'll warn me that it's going to communicate on port 80 and that System Center Advisor needs to open this port. I can also monitor this server as well if I wish to. At this point I need to consume that certificate. If you have a proxy server, you need to put that in here, and you can set this up so that only authorizations access this gateway if you wish to. I'm not going to bother for this demonstration. And that's that all finished. Now what I can do is jump back and see on my Windows 7 client what's happened. Hit refresh here, and you can see immediately that my gateway and agent have appeared on the portal. And now what I can do is go and add in other servers just by deploying the agent to them. Here's my BI server. I'm just deploying the agent this time, and I need to tell it about my gateway. I'll just do a quick check to see that the gateway is there. It is, that's happy, so we can install. And that's finished. And now I've refreshed the screen in System Center Advisor, we can see the new BI 2010 machine is on there. And as it says at the top of the screen, wait up to 24 hours for initial data to appear. So I'm going to stop here now, and in my next video we'll have a look and see what System Center Advisor is telling me about the servers that I've been running. In the meantime, there are some links, as you can see here, for you to go and try this for yourselves. And I've been Andrew Fryer. Thank you very much for listening.